Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Abigail and I make videos about special needs and health issues. And basically whatever's going on in my life. So today I had a busy day. I spent today baking. We had a blueberry muffin mix. So I made that. I made the blueberry for my dad, and then I made some chocolate chip one for everybody else. It was a box kind of muffin mix, but it came with a thing of blueberries, and then you just put the blueberries on top. But I didn't know that my little brother would like blueberry muffins like that, so I also made chocolate chip. I also tonight have been working on some diamond art. I actually finished one. This is, if you don't know what diamond art is, it's like this big sticky picture. Here's the finished product. This is Groot, for those of you that don't know. I just glued it together. Well, I said just glued it together. I glued it together earlier and then had it dry. Because I have this book that I put them in after I seal them and all that, glue them together. So I did that. I also baked a lot today. Other than the blueberry muffins and the chocolate chip muffins that I made, I also made my grandma a birthday cake because tomorrow is my grandma's birthday. She will be turning, I think, 70. And it's a tradition that every year on her birthday, I make her a cake. Normally I would make it on her birthday, but we've been busy and we've had a lot of stuff go on, and so we were going to go to church tonight. It's actually Wednesday, but we were supposed to have some storms come through, so we decided to stay home. So me and my little brother made my grandma a birthday cake, one of those small ones, and then we also made a little small cake for my step grandpa, because his birthday was a few days ago, or a couple weeks ago. So did that, did some diamond art. Also, a lady in my church requested some diamond art, and she wanted one with a scripture on it, so I'm doing one for her. So I have a lot of baking stuff going on. I'm getting this flashlight because it's really windy outside. Let's see, what else? What else has gone on? I thought I was going to lose one of my adult teeth. Basically, I have this tooth that's, really, pushed the wrong way, and we can't figure out why it's like that. We thought maybe my wisdom teeth were coming in, but I've already got my wisdom teeth taken out. And the dentist that we went to just can't figure it out. One day I was flossing my teeth and I forgot to skip that one, and I got this huge chunk of food out from the middle of it, in the middle of my tooth. And I mean, it felt a lot better, but I was just hoping that I'm not gonna lose this adult tooth here. Let's see. Also, my mom goes out of town next week for a ladies' conference. It's basically where different ladies from different churches get together, and it's in this hotel, and they have church for 2 nights. And so yeah, my mom will be going to that next week. So next week, me, my older brother, and my little brother will be with our dad. well, my mom goes to ladies conference. See what else. Working on Diamond Art. There hasn't really been a whole lot of health updates here lately, and I haven't really heard a whole lot on my great grandma. That's really why there hasn't been an update on here, because I haven't really heard anything. It's just, we're kind of just waiting for her time to come. But really don't know very much. I mean, there's been no update. So that's why there really hasn't been an update on her, because there's just no update. Let's see. Oh, this was really sweet. So earlier today, I ended up cutting my ankle, and it hurt to walk. So my older brother picked me up and carried me to my room, which was really sweet because my foot has been really sore. It's feeling a little bit better. I didn't cut it like really bad or anything. It's just, it's been sore. Trying to think of what else. So basically, it's just been a busy day of baking. I made the muffins while my little brother was at school, and then when he got home, we made the cakes, and it's just been a busy day of baking. And tomorrow is my grandma's birthday, so we'll go see her tomorrow, and I'm not sure what all we're doing tomorrow, really. But Friday is the day. Tomorrow is Thursday, and then there'll be Friday. I don't know what we have going on Friday, and then Saturday is obviously the weekend, so I'm really excited for the weekend, because then everyone will be home from work and everything. So that's the update for today. I'm doing the same as far as my health. I've been trying to eat toddler size meals, and I've been trying to have like one protein shake a day, or some kind of protein, or healthy drink a day. Besides, today was a little bit off because we ended up being busy, so I ended up having like a chicken sandwich and some french fries, so I didn't exactly follow the small meal diet today, but that's all really as far as my update for today. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like this video if you liked it, subscribe down below if you're not already, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone.